Good day, everyone. Today's our lecture theme is development of structure and the maintenance of a lesson in the environment of remote learning. We will discuss about distance learning or electronic learning functions. Let's discuss it. As everybody knows, it have two types of learning. Teachers learning. It's the first is face-to-face and the second is distance. Nowadays the popular technology is distance learning. If we enhance face-to-face learning, it's a classroom and we use technologies. Online learning, middle of this face-to-face and the distance learning is blended learning. It's in-class and online learning. On the distance learning, we use digital technologies. Let's discuss what is online learning environments. Electronic learning or online e-learning is a learning environment with no physical location and in which the instructors and the students are separated by space. Learning platform that allows sharing of educational materials with the learners via the web. Examples include Moodle, WebCT, and Blackboard. The online learning environment refers to the e-learning environment used for knowledge acquisition or within computer-mediated digital systems. Online education. What is it? Online distance learning is offered not only in post-secondary distance education institutions, but in traditional universities as well. With advances in mobile and wireless technologies, completing academic studies anywhere, anytime should become feasible. There are given some e-learning information and communication technologies. When we learn or teach distance learning, we use some ICT technologies. Let's tell me about it. The first is presentation technologies. It's a hardware, digital projectors, interactive whiteboard software, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Prezi. It's examples of some technologies. The next technology, the World Wide Web. It's Internet, provides access to information, database, and online libraries. The next one is computer-mediated conferencing, facilitates educational interaction through chat tools, email, discussion boards. And the next is audio conferencing and video conferencing via phone lines or the web, facilitate educational interactions. The last one is generic software applications. For example, it's word processing, database, spreadsheet, statistical data analysis tools. The next, information communication technologies. Multimedia materials. For example, it's animations, graphics, pictures, film, video, and so on. Computer-assisted assessment. An automated online object testing tool that provides immediate and individual feedback to students. Computer-assisted learning. Computer supports for learning through online tutorials that use multimedia materials. Simulations and models develop practical skills in a virtual environment and games. All these technologies can use teachers, students, pupils. Let's discuss e-learning generally. What is it? For all these technologies we use when we teach or when we study using distance learning. We use internet technologies, e-commerce technologies, collaboration technologies, evaluation, the next enterprise training, digital technologies, security and knowledge management, information technology, it's a repository, human-computer interaction, globalization of education, accounting, information communication technologies, multimedia technologies, and lifelong learning. All these technologies today's everyone use, and we use it for the purpose of teach or study our courses. And there is given some benefits of online education. Which benefits are they? For example, is student-centered. Shortly say, it's every student has his or her way of learning that works for them. It's very usable, it's very flexibility. And the next is flexibility. Attend class and a course anywhere with a computer and access to the internet. Accessibility. Online course materials can be accessed 24 hours a day, every day. The next, global knowledge. Students are exposed to knowledge heard by the instructors around the globe, which cannot be learned in books. Students control study time. Students may not have to sit for a long time or periods of time. Lessons can be paused when they need and not read at will. Chance for interactions. Online course may be less intimidating than the traditional classroom setting and could help to increase student interactions. Cost effective. It offers a lot of savings because there are no additional costs for transportation and accommodation. Better opportunity. Students are given the opportunities to choose from various schools and courses. There is given the best benefits of online education. Advantages of e-learning. I will tell you 7 advantages of e-learning or distance learning. It's first, scalable, efficient, and fast. You will have the ability to quickly create and communicate new policies and training throughout your organizations. The next advantage, capacity and consistency. You will benefit from achieving high levels of coverage amongst your target audience, and all of your learners will have access to the same training. The third advantage is higher retention rate. Blended learning results in a higher knowledge retention rate, appealing to a wider range of learning styles, with the added ability to go back and refresh the memory at any time or place. The fourth advantage is save time and money. By reducing time away from the workplace, you will cut down on travel costs and expensive classroom-based training. The next advantage is measuring learning activity. Using a learning management system to keep track of your learners' progress is a breeze. You will be reporting on activity completion in no time. The sixth advantage is reduce your carbon footprint. Delivering your training online and testing stuff through online quizzes will help you cut down on your paper use, which in turn means less waste. Oh, it's a good advantage. And the last advantage is flexibility and finding hard to reach people. Your learners will have the freedom to learn where and when they want to, and at their own pace. You will be able to train staff who work remotely and have trouble getting to training venues. I think after these lessons you will know the technologies, information communication technologies, IT technologies, and using internet, using modern technologies, understand what is the distance learning and e-learning benefits. Thank you. Goodbye.